Once the storms had come and gone, the house was falling. Hail had bashed the roof and left the siding crawling. Called up 80 Construction, they were on the case. Gonna fix it up and put a smile on my face. New roof overhead feels so right, shining siding gleaming bright. Front porch coffee, morning light. 80 Construction fixed it tight. Transformation is so dramatic. No more dents from hail, it's fantastic. Siding next, they made it shine like new, transforming the old gray into a vibrant blue. New roof overhead feels so right, shining siding gleaming bright. Front porch coffee, morning light. 80 Construction fixed it tight. Hail had left a mark, but now it's history. 80 Construction erased the misery. Every nail in place, every board aligned. They gave me a home that's one of